Hello, once again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Inspiring Nails on the Sunday morning. It's raining out here, and this time I got to show you how to change our rectifier for the Yamaha R6 2003 model. Alright, so it's been so challenging for me. This is how I moved the tank so that we could be able to remove the screw here. Okay, so later on, just to give you an update, we'll try to remove the the rectifier, and let's see if this old machine can fire. All right, so you stay there, and of course, happy Sunday, everyone. Okay, video. We'll see. So just to give you the view on how to remove the rectifier. As I said, it's quite amazing and challenging on my part to remove it. Wait. Just wait a minute. Kapeng mainit. Wait. Alright. So this is the actual view where you can remove the screw. This is the rectifier, so we will try to remove that. So one by one, we will see. First we have to remove the screw. We have to use size 10 back wrench like this. Actually, it's really moving. Okay, using my hands. Okay, I did not anymore remove the what do you call this, the tank. Wait. Video cut. Okay, so we're almost there. We're able to remove the screw. You see the screw? It's already moving. Okay. So before I remove the rectifier, first I have to check first the connection here. So how these things to be removed totally. Here's the wire connector. Okay. Here you go. Here. I can just remove it using my hands, but I prefer to use this socket. Wait. The tanke. That's the computer box, huh? Okay. Case of emergency ba? And then careful, I did not remove yet the wires. Okay. So, have gali siya. Lock. Careful. The wire. So, there's the rectifier. It's just replacement also I ordered in Shopee. There's a lock there. Careful. Press that one lock. Analyze. So we're showing you how to remove the wire connector in the rectifier. Just to not be in a hurry. Why is that hip like wire there?
Wire the time.
I think this is the lock. Oh. Press daw. Sige. Ay, nako. Ay, nako. There's the problem. Okay, you can see this portion here, it's burned. That's why it's not anymore charging my battery. Okay, this one. This is the rectifier. So difficult to remove because it's already melted. Okay. This one, you see? This one. Okay, so it's melted. You see? It's melted. Guys, there you have it. You already fixed we already installed the new rectifier. Again, this is just a replacement, China made, so I don't know how many months will this survive. Alright, so we already attached the batteries, and now it's time for us to fire the engine if this will fire. Okay, here we go. Oh no, can you take, here we go.